guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Peason Makeover. So today I'm here again with
Quentin White.
We're going to be reacting to
Elvis Presley performing Suspicious Minds.
Guys, I've checked this out with the Perseverance and I want to see his view about this. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay.
We're caught in a trap. I can't walk around
1973.
because I love you too much, babe.
Elvis Presley.
Why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe a word I'm saying? We can't go on together with suspicious minds. And we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. So if an old friend I know, somebody say hello, would I still see suspicion in your eyes? Here we go, asking where I've been. You can't see the tears are real, I'm crying. We can't go on together with suspicious minds. And we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. Oh, let our love survive. Oh no. Oh, dry the tears from your eyes. Let's don't let a good thing die. Oh, never, never lied to you. No, not much. Yeah, we're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, babe. Well, why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe a word I'm saying? Well, don't you know, caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much.
I like his argument.
Oh, I love Elvis Presley. His performances are always incredible. He's always dancing and enjoying himself on stage. That's one thing I love about him. Whenever he's up there, he's always in the mood. He's always entertaining us. Guys, I'm so happy we're reacting to this again. It just brings you back a lot of memories after checking it out before. Elvis Presley is so unique. Like, his vocals is incredible. His style is unique. And the way he performs on stage, he just makes you love music a lot more. He's always dancing, he's always energetic, and he's happy. There's always a smile on his face. This is a wonderful performance. Suspicious Mind is so cool. I love the lyrics of the song. Elvis Presley, let's give you the best, guys. I just love him.
Because I love too much. Oh yeah.
He's so friendly.
Yeah.
I can't walk.
Oh my gosh. I want to kiss
Well,
him.
don't you know? Caught in a trap. I can't walk around because I love you too much. Caught in a trap. I can't walk around. I hope this suit don't tear up, baby. Well, don't you know? Caught in a I can't walk because I love
that was a nice performance.
I love his vibe. I love his vibe on stage. He's always giving you the best. Wow. Elvis Presley, he's so amazing. So good. He's just so incredible and so cheerful. He's just, I love his charisma. Like whenever he's up on stage.
Not the way he, like, flows with his fans, like when he's performing and stuff like
I love that. He's just so friendly and so funny, and he's always carefree. I love the way he acts whenever he's up there. Guys, this was a wonderful performance. Elvis Presley blew our mind. We enjoyed this piece, and we're so happy we got to react to this, guys. I enjoyed this the second time, and I'm still loving it, guys. Wow, Elvis Presley is so amazing. So guys, please let us know what you think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please do ensure to like, subscribe, and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Exactly.